guys, welcome back to Kirshner Farmstead. This is part 2 of the apple cider vinegar making process. Our apple cider vinegar has been sitting for 2 weeks. We have been stirring it daily to keep it fresh, okay? It smells delicious, if I do say so myself. Today we are going to be straining the apples and cores out of this, and we will be putting it in a jar, okay? It'll be a nice quick video, and let's get started. All right, so we'll take off the coffee filter and get this strained out, okay? So we got a bowl here and a little strainer. Colton as my helper. Look at that. It smells so good, guys. Look at that. That worked better than I thought. It held all the apples in. Now, pigs. So you can feed these to the pigs or chickens, okay? It's got great probiotics. It'll be really good for them. And oh man, it smells delicious. The cider process has definitely begun. All right, guys. So we are going to get this ladled into our jar, okay? Now I am going to be adding the mother from this store-bought apple cider vinegar. It is not needed, okay, but it does jumpstart the process, okay, because we are going to have this sit for 8 weeks, okay. You can have it sit for longer, you can have it sit for shorter, okay. Eight weeks will give it a good amount of time for its own mother to grow, okay, and that's going to give you all your benefits right there. It smells good on. So you're going to add half a cup of starter, if you would like, to the half gallon. Okay. Like I said, it's not needed. It's going to grow its own mother. Okay. We are going to keep the coffee filter on it, and because that allows it to breathe. It is a living thing. It's a fermentation process. Okay. Okay. All right, so I'm gonna make sure we get a lot of that mother out of this jar, okay? Now, and we'll add the rest of that to a smaller jar, and we'll do another small batch. Now, what's great about this, right? We're gonna add the half a cup, okay? This ladle's half. That adds the mother in there. You can see it floating around in there. Okay. That was a little bit stronger, huh? Yeah. So what's great about the mother, okay, is you'll be able to take, like we can take this small batch, okay, we can let it grow, and the next batch, we'll be able to add this mother to our next batch. Instead of taking a store-bought one, we'll have our homegrown mother that we can add in there. So it's really great. Now I'm going to get a coffee filter put on this, and we're going to let it sit for 8 weeks. All right, so like before, okay, you're gonna want the coffee filter. That's gonna keep the bugs out. That's gonna keep any dust or anything that's gonna contaminate it, because you don't want the bad bacteria to grow, okay? You want the good bacteria to grow. And sometimes if you get something like a bug in there, it could overtake the good bacteria and cause it to go bad. So there we go, guys. You have your apple cider vinegar right there, and it's going to start growing for the next 8 weeks, even more than it already has, and it's going to be delicious. All right, guys. Thank you for joining us on Kirshner Farmstead, and have a good afternoon. And if you haven't already, like and subscribe. Join us again next time. Bye.